Hey Geek, so just want to make this quick video to say, you complete me. Now you probably heard of this phrase before because it's from a very popular movie, but in the context of a YouTube content creator, this is something that I didn't realize until much later on. So what do I mean by you complete me? Well, quite simply, you as a creator can't do this on your own. You need other people. You need a community, you need a tribe of like-minded individuals that will help support you, give you ideas, and also give you constructive criticism whenever the need arises. And this is something that is so valuable because at the end of the day, you are creating, sharing, and collaborating with other people all around the world. And so that's it for this quick video. Thank you for completing me. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.